Hi everyone, this is Arvind from Chartview. Now we are going to discuss regarding the post-market analysis for 2nd June today expiry. So first we'll discuss regarding the Bank Nifty. Friends, you know yesterday we had discussed regarding the range of the Bank Nifty that it will be in this June, and it happened today also like that manner, even in a lower June actually range bound. So after opening, you see the opening was very range bound today. It opened here near 35,500, and it just went to 35,378. That was the support level for 35,500. So it was a good opening, but it got a support over here. So once it is getting a support over S2 and PS line is above, definitely the movement will be towards PS. And you see it got a resistance over at PS line. That was the power support formation at 36,000 straddle. Means it was the fast straddle in the option chain. If you add the put Y and call Y for the yesterday chain seat, then you will get that at 36,000 maximum Y formation is there. So that is the first hurdle. So the support was at 35649, and we had also told that the if it is so getting support over here, it will definitely move to this level and it may get a resistance over here, because this line will play a very vital role. So after getting a resistance, it again came to 35,500 zone. So around 2 hour, it got a support over 35,500, but it was a very choppy movement. You can say a range bound movement, or you can say a consolidated movement. But here around 1325 or 1330, there was a buying. But again, there was a resistance from 35, 649 or 650, you can say. So market in Bank Nifty closed just in a range bound manner, and the closing were 35613. So this is regarding the Bank Nifty. It was a range bound expiry. So what what happened in Nifty? Now we will discuss. Friends, you see in Nifty, you can observe that Nifty. We can check it now that the Nifty was little bit bullish expiry today, because there is a very bullishness in the Reliance stock actually in TCS also. So Reliance rose around 3.5%, TCS around 2%. So these two stock rise contributed to Nifty gain today. But one thing you see here, the opening was around 16,500, and yesterday we had discussed that 16,578 will play definitely a very critical role or a lead role, because here you see there is 2 times or 3 times resistance over this line. Finally, over it was broken around 1320, or you can say around broken around 1340 around. So fast it opened around 16,500. It went down, but to get a support above 16,435, or you can say 16,450 line, and it went up to 16,578. 16,570 was the second straddle resistance, as well as the first straddle support line. So here it was a got a major resistance over here, and it again went came back to 16,500. But again there was a buying after 11:10 in Nifty, due to TCS and Reliance positivity, and it rose to around 16,570 or 80 once again. But finally again there was a rise after 1320. It rose to around 16,628 or 16,600 resistance line, that was 6,621 it crossed or just touched. So this is regarding the Nifty. Nifty had a very not very bullish, but a bullish expiry today, whereas the Bank Nifty was very consolidated. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe our channel for quick updates regarding pre-market or post-market. These lines already we had discussed in our pre-market videos. If you refer to this pre-market video, you can get these lines that we have described in our previous video for the today, or the pre-market technical for 2nd June. And again, we are giving a post-market analysis whether these lines have worked or not. If you'll see, guys, for continuously at least for 10 days or 20 days or a month, then you can see the beauty and charm of these lines. Actually, as a layman, you can say that the price would get a support over here, as it can get a double support over formation here. But why there should be a double support formation? We should find out always the reason, because the Nifty index or Bank Nifty index are based on the option chains, and option writers are very powerful people, and they are giving a lot of margin for the selling purpose. So they would like to take the market in their control. And in short straddle method, we have to see, because short straddle means the right straddles, and that formation of its resistance support we should consider. But this resistance and support are calculated by our algos. It is not the break even. Don't confuse it with the break even for the short straddle method. But we are freely providing it in our website, so you can refer to it. So freely you can get it now. So this is regarding the price action movement due to the price levels. Actually, price action is happening due to price levels. You see, price got a support over at near this level. It went to this level and get again resistance due to this price level formations, because it was 16500 resistance lines. Means the 16500 writers call writer would definitely resist here the price to move upward. They will again short. But again, 16500 writers, put writers would like to write over here. That's why 16500 put writer took the price above here, or adding to other other put writers also. But they are the second position. They would like to take more role. So likewise, it's a game of put and call writers who are the powerful, and which will be powerful according to the market sentiments. The market will move accordingly. That cause. So, friends, this is regarding the post market analysis for today. Hope you have understood, and thanks for watching, and have a good day. Thank you once again.